So like, this is something that I would never ever post on social media normally, right? Because I've got 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, right? If I saw someone post that, I'd think, what a wanker, right? But these posts get me more leads than any other kind of post that I do. And I've only just recently started experimenting with them. Anything to do with milestones, achievement, doesn't have to be you. You could talk about your customers achieving stuff. You can make more of a big thing about it than they do, right? Is Kim in the room? I've seen you post. There you are. When we did that content recording and we did that post about it, we had like 6,000 views. Like, yeah, first video on LinkedIn. Here we are recording it. Yeah, 6,000 views on LinkedIn just from a photograph. There's this kind of content that people want to. They actually want to support you because the one thing they all have in common if they're in your network is they know you. So if it's about you like making progress, and then what happens is momentum attracts customers.